How cute is this? So I definitely would say that it is a foodie haul today. I got cookie mix, which I should have passed up, but couldn't pass up because $1 and Betty Crocker. I got the salted caramel and the chocolate hazelnut cream. They're the 14-ounce packages. I have so many cookie mixes, so many muffin mixes, and so many cake mixes that this should have stayed in the store, but I mean, you just can't pass it up for $1. I just can't help it. I got 2 of the Andy Cat hot fries. These everywhere else now are $1.29. So if you do buy these, definitely get them at Dollar Tree because you can still get them for $1 there, obviously. They don't have the cheddar fries and they don't have the barbecue ones, but if you get hot fries, get them there. This was a super fun find for me. It's a 5-pack. We usually never get these full packages at the Dollar Tree. On a lot of the hauls that I see, they'll have like full boxes like this, and we'll get them like 3-pack, 2-pack. They like break it up. We never get full boxes. So that was pretty cool. It's breakfast on the go. The expiration date is good until April 10, I think that is. Or April 11. I don't know. I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard to see. And this one has granola clusters, honey roasted peanuts, yogurt covered raisins, dried cranberries, apple cinnamon glazed walnuts, and dried apple chips. These are good to eat by themselves. They're good to put on top of yogurt. Good on top to throw in your smoothies. Definitely a lot of uses for these, so good find. Picked up one of these on my last haul, and they are delicious. Oh my god, the red ones are so good. So I picked up one for me and one for Denny. I think this is the neatest thing. It's exactly as many as I need. You get 4 in there, and they're the Sour Patch Kids. Pretty self-explanatory, but it's cute. It's the Valentine edition. And I think this is really cute, like for schools, the schools in my area. For years now, it's a bummer. We're not allowed to bring any kind of candy or anything like that. They don't even have Halloween parties anymore, Valentine's Day parties. When I was a kid, we would bring in our costumes and wear them and have a party, but they banned that a long time ago. So, but for the areas that still are able to do that, this is so cute. This is not food related, but it's just a shower curtain. I really like the print on it, and I do have one right now, but I always like to have a backup, so I'm about to change it. I don't use this as the main shower curtain, but I like to attach it behind it, so this is the one that gets the wear and tear, and the outside one stays newer. So yeah, saw these there. These are brand new. I haven't seen these before, and they're 25.5 ounces. I just think they're like, you know, for a bowl of cereal, or if you're going to make homemade sundaes, if you're doing like a fruit cocktail or something. I don't know. There's just so many ways you can use this. It's pretty heavy, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I just picked up 2 of them. I always get these at the Dollar Tree. I like that they're small. There's 8 in here. I don't use a lot of this, so this goes a long way for me, and the big ones usually rust before I can get through them, and this is the perfect size to use it up before that happens. These were such a big thing when I was a kid. You get 16 mini ones in here. I kind of turned my son on to them when he was little, and he got such a kick out of them. So I saw these, and I thought that would be a cute little Easter thing to give him. I actually bought 2 of them. Look at this big crunch bar, 4.4 ounces. Denny loves these, so I thought that'd be a cute little Valentine thing for him. And the Junior Mints are for Valentine's Day for him too. I don't think he's going to watch this. We're now into February, but I needed one of these in January when I did my winter theme in my planner. So I saw this and I thought that that looked pretty winterish. You know, like almost like a winter flower. And it says, say yes to adventure. So I'm obviously not going to need it right now, but I'll have it for next year. I thought I grabbed the chocolate one in this one, but I guess I grabbed the chestnut praline latte. It's not the scent that I wanted. I mean, it smells really good. I just kind of wanted it to be Valentine's Day related, and the chocolate one would have been better for that. They did have other scents too, but I guess this is the one I got. I don't know. Maybe I'll just switch it out. I go buy it on the way home. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just run in and do a quick switch. I really didn't want this scent like I just said, so I kind of want to use it as a Valentine decoration. So I'm probably just going to do a quick switch. I don't know, but I don't know how I ended up with this one. I think I put the chocolate one down and then picked this one up somehow, and here we are. But it's the little coffee cups and they're so cute. And now with these, you know, after you use this, don't throw it out. Just take this out, wash the glass, and then use like a Yankee Candle votive or any kind of votive. You can just reuse these. So that's why I got it mostly, is for to be able to reuse and then just use my own votives in there. But I figured I would start off with the scent of the season, sort of, because I kind of burn scents for the season. And this to me, I can't talk today. This to me is more like a full scent, so I'm kind of disappointed that I did that. And it's probably silly to run and switch it out. It's time consuming, but I don't know. It probably still will. I needed some cotton balls, and I've heard some good things about their cotton balls. So this one's 100 packs, so I figured I'd buy it and give it a try. This brand of marshmallows is really good, so if you're in the mood or in the need for some marshmallow, oh my goodness, I would say pick these up and give these a try. They are a 10.5 ounce bag, and they have the bigger ones too. Another little Easter basket item, which won't even really be an Easter basket because he's 17, but regardless, I just thought the little bunny was really, really cute, so grab that. I am a loyal Snuggle booster, scent booster user. I think I've said that before, but this one smells really, really good. I've bought it before. I've actually used it in my laundry, but this one I picked up to use in my vacuum. These do wonders in your vacuum. They smell so good, so I just rather keep what I normally use. I just like it better, and then these serve its purpose in my vacuum. Haven't had these in a while, so I said, what the heck, I'll pick it up. It's a 6-pack. See if my son likes them too. I don't know. I don't think he's ever had these. This I thought was an amazing find. It smells nice. Let's see if it works. But it's antiperspirant deodorant spray, shower fresh, 48 hour. It's made by Extra Care. These can be really expensive, so figured it's a 2-ounce can, and I figured for $1 I might as well try it. And if I like the results, I'm definitely going to stock up. Hopefully they're going to carry them regularly if I like it. I bought 2 cans of Rotel, one for Super Bowl Sunday and one to have on hand. I love these baskets. When they came out with the storage baskets again, I didn't see it and I was disappointed, but then I found them today, so I grabbed 2. Now I spray paint these, but let me tell you, and I buy the good spray paint too, so it's not like I'm buying like Walmart brand spray paint. I'm buying like the good stuff, but it still seems to chip. This thing is stuck. I'm trying to get it out while I talk to you. Alright, so yeah, I grabbed 2 of them. I still am going to spray paint it because these are for my pantry organization. And I already have 2, and I love the handle. Oh my gosh, it is so convenient. You just pull it out, take what you need, or put in what you need. I definitely love these. Obviously, I don't like the color. I am going to spray paint it. Again, it seems like they always chip, so it's kind of a waste of time and money. but I can't live with it not being the colors that I organize with, so I have no choice but to deal with the chipping. And these are my last two items, which are the toddler flushable wipes. I swear by these things. They haven't had them in a long time. I was pretty happy to see them. Usually they have 40 sometimes, but they didn't have it this time. Of course, you get more with the 40, but even at the 32, I am telling you, these are better than Charmin. They're better than Cottonelle. They're better than the Walmart brand. They're better than the Target brand. I love these. And of course, you know, toddler, but they're adults. They're a good size. They're not like small. You think, oh, well, they're probably smaller because at the Dollar Tree, they're not. They're full size just like the other ones. I mean, it seems a lot to be putting these on a pedestal, you know, I guess because they are just bathroom wipes, but I just love the quality. And if you use these, definitely pick these up and give them a try. And if you can grab the 40 pack, stock up. There'll be pictures at the end of things that I found that I think are great finds at the Dollar Tree that I just don't have no use for. And that's it.